What's going on, YouTube? We back with another video. First off, I want to say I appreciate everybody that's supporting that last video, man. I ain't gonna even lie, I really appreciate that support. But I'm gonna show y'all what we on today. Man, today, yeah, I know what we talked about. Alright, man, we finna work on this engine bay. All this old mucky paint, any rust that's on the car. I got a grinder with a wire brush on it, and I got this angle die grinder. It's an electric version. I got this for the little small areas. I got this big grinder for the big flat areas. Man, we basically, like all this up here, man, we basically finna try to grind as much of that stuff down. Even in the radiator support, we finna try to grind as much as this stuff down to the bare metal. And I got this self-etching primer. Self-etching primer is supposed to be good with bare metal, so that's what I got. I got that, and I got this this Rust-Oleum undercoating, just like that side is over there. I already had did that side a while back, and I was trying to see how well it was gonna hold up. But it seemed to be holding up pretty good, because I think I did that side at least a month ago, a month and a half ago. I did this side here, I think in a week's time. It had started, because I hadn't grinded it down or nothing, it had started peeling back off, started flaking, and it looked like it's gray. It looked like I never did anything to it. So we trying to get that side over there. Even all this up in here, we trying to get that side, we trying to get this side to look like that side. But let me set y'all up real quick. Alright, and another thing, don't y'all be like me, man. See, the wind is kind of working in my favor, and the wind is blowing all that old rust and lead away from me for the most part. But put you a respirator on, man. Don't do what I'm doing. But y'all see what we got going on. I'm even not gonna I'm gonna work my way all the way to the back. I know we ain't gonna get all that did in one day, but you know, it's progress. I still need to get this I need to get this lower control arm off, because it's really just in the way. I'm finna junk this anyway. I better not do that. Spring come up and hit me in my mouth, then I'm gonna be in the house. I'm probably gonna have to take them bolts out first and just drop it down. But man, y'all see what we got going on though. And see, like when you using this right here, you can't really get up in areas like that, because this thing will grab. Like you try to wedge that up in there, man, that thing will grab that thing. Y'all probably seen it. Slick trying to yank it out of my hand. It's best to have a small one so you can get up in them little tight areas. That's all we're trying to achieve. You know, once we get that, we're gonna prime it up, we're gonna paint it. I need to get this out the way, because I'm finna take, that's another question I wanted to ask y'all. I ain't got no brake set up yet, but I was thinking about Wildwood or Bear or something like that, but they sell a different brake booster. Is it good to buy their brake booster with their brake kit, or does that not matter? Just replace the old brake booster. That's something I've been trying to figure out. But I'm gonna try to go and get a lot more of this done, man. I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a second. Gotta pause that. Oh, Alright, y'all, this is where I'm at. Where am I? I got that lower control arm and spring off. And man, I'm just about done. Like I said, sanding the bottom half of this frame down. See that there working out pretty good. I just gotta get those little tight corners up there. Like I said, I don't want to put that grinder in them corners, man, cause the grinder actually whooped my ass yesterday. It caught something, it slunk up out my hand. I was out here running, but I ain't want to record that. But yeah, you got these little areas right here that you don't want to try to put that grinder into. But man, we almost done with that. By the time, once I finally get through with that, I'm gonna go ahead and hit this thing with this primer and let that dry. I know it ain't gonna dry right away because it's cold out here. Alright, y'all, once we get through with that, I'm gonna cut y'all back on once I start priming. Alright, y'all, we back at it again. It's actually the day after, because y'all know daylight saving time, you don't really have a whole lot of time outside. It's actually, man, it's 3:46 right now, and I've been out here since early this morning. But this is where we at. Alright, we done got the frame grinded down to the bare metal, at least from the engine bay, from the front of the engine bay back to the firewall. We done got all that did, but basically now, man, I'm finna tape off these fenders. Even though the car got to get painted anyway, I just want to tape it off because I still don't want to have primer and undercoating paint everywhere. I'm gonna take this fender off on both sides. I'm gonna tape this front cap off because I am gonna spray this too, the top of this radiator support. And I'm gonna sit y'all up and I'm gonna put y'all on time lapse because I gotta take that intake back off so I can get that firewall behind the intake. I don't want to try to squeeze in between there and put paint all over this either. But I'm gonna take this off as well, and I gotta tape the bottom of the windshield up so I can get right there where the wiper motor and all that went. I had to take all that off because that stuff was broke, so I'm gonna have to replace all that anyway. That's another thing. That's one thing I love about G-Bodies, man. They pretty much still sell everything for a G-Body. Like, they still make all the parts for it. The only thing they don't really make for G-Bodies is like that lower chrome trim. Like, they still sell this chrome trim. They still sell everything pretty much except for like that lower chrome on certain models. Some of them they do. Now I know they still sell this. They sell this chrome strip on the front and they sell the chrome strip on the back. Pretty much still sell everything, especially the SS Monte Carlo. They sell everything for that. They still sell everything for the Malibus. I ain't gonna say everything. I'm gonna take that back. I think like little small stuff like on the Malibus, it's kind of like that chrome stuff. A lot of those chrome pieces they don't really sell, but they sell all of the mechanical parts. Like anything that you need mechanical, they still sell a lot of that stuff. But man, I'm finna sit y'all up. I'm finna put y'all on time lapse and take these fenders in this cap off and take this intake back off and tape that windshield off so I can go ahead and start priming before it get too dark. I might not get done painting, but I should get done priming everything. All right, I'm gonna sit y'all up. I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a second. All right. And we got all that taped up. Now, all I can do now, man, is start spraying. I'm gonna sit y'all on the ground and I'm gonna sit y'all up down there. Cause see, I'm gonna spray the undercarriage first. I'm gonna work down there and I'm gonna work my way up. Alright, y'all, man, that's pretty much it. Now, I know y'all probably saying, why is it green? But self-etching primer, that's the only color I seen to be able to find self-etching primer in. It is green. But once this dry, once this self-etching primer dry, I got some where is it? I got primer sealer that I'm gonna spray over that self-etching primer, and that's gonna be this color right here. See, one is green, one is gray, but the self-etching primer is gray. So I'm gonna hit the whole thing over again with this primer sealer, turn that gray, let that dry, then we're gonna hit it again. But I know by the time this stuff dry, man, it's gonna be completely dark. So this probably gonna be a wrap for this video. Next video, most likely we're gonna be the next video, we're gonna be knocking the suspension out. Got my lower control arms, my upper control arms. I really hate, hold on. I really hate that I messed around and put my upper control arms on there and just had them sitting on the car. Now I'm gonna have to clean these back up because they dirty as hell. But I got my Viking Performance coilovers, my upper control arm, lower control arms. Got my my outer tie rods. I probably, what the other, this here, I won't be able to put this on until I get my new gearbox. Because that one on there, I need a pulley or something to pull it off, and I don't have anything to get that off with. And what else? I got my sway bar in the trunk. I gotta find my my sway bar end links. They in here somewhere. But I got my sway bar, and man, we're gonna be getting the suspension put on. But like I said, it's cold out here. I've been out here all day, and it's gonna be a wrap for this video here. I'm gonna holler at y'all on the next one. All right, I'm out.